I went to the fishmonger this morning and there was very fresh mackerel that I bought. The coffee shop is not open yet, everyone's sleeping, so I thought why not to go to the Brighton beach and make some sandwiches for our way back to Lancaster. Okay, so here I am. I will use my gas stove from the camping and first, as I always do, I will go get some fresh water from the sea and make some sea salt. How about that? The water without getting wet, so I think that will be enough to make the sea salt that I need. While I'm making the sea salt, I will show you what I have here. So these are some fresh mackerel fillets. The mackerel was caught this morning and now just hours later I'm going to cook it here, right here at the beach. So I have some bread. I've already chopped tomatoes and some herbs and leaves, and I'll just grill this on the gas and then we'll assemble the sandwich. So it's a pretty simple thing to do, but the atmosphere, the fresh fish, I think this will make all the difference. Here it is, what's left here at the bottom. I'll now scrap it with a spoon and then we'll put it on the mackerel. So here I have one spoon ready. And you can see how I scrap it, and that's sea salt, which I now will put on the mackerel. But let's first taste it. Okay. Just really proper sea taste, sea rich taste. Is it different from the other salt? Of course it is, because I just made it straight out of the sea. Of course I would say it tastes better. It's very salty. While the grill is getting ready, I will season. Okay, I moved with my setup here, shielded from the wind, and everything goes perfectly now. Super easy. Let me turn the mackerel. Oh, it's very nicely grilled. I should have done this earlier. Okay, so while this is cooking, I'm gonna grab and get my other stuff from right there. Okay, so the mackerel fillets are ready. Yeah, excellent. Now just let me put the bread very quickly. have a look at this very nicely cooked mackerel fillet. And now we are almost ready for everything. It's very simple. Now I can start assembling the sandwich. So I have a little bit of rocket. A leaf of chard. Some sliced tomato. Of course, the mackerel. A little bit of coriander leaf. And somewhere here I also had some chilli. Just a little bit of chili, and that's pretty much my sandwich with fresh mackerel. And now I will make 3 more of these. But before I do that, I'll put them in some foil. Here I've got some foil ready. So that's my sandwich done. Let's make some more. We are now all ready for our travel. I hope my family will enjoy these really nice sandwiches that I just made here on the Brighton Hove beach. I really hope that you enjoyed this, well, probably unusual video, and maybe you can even try something like this, or just inspire you to try whatever crazy things I think of. And yeah, I hope you have a good day, and see you again soon. Bye guys.
Overall, this is a really good sandwich. The fish adds excellent taste. It's quite zesty, and the coriander in it makes it really good, and the tomato brings out the flavour a bit more. So overall, I think this sandwich is excellent if you have a bit of time to grill the fish, and it's certainly good for a snack or maybe a brunch, but overall an excellent sandwich.
Thank you.